Assalamu alaikum to all of my students. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss producer's equilibrium. Just like consumer's equilibrium, we have to read producer's equilibrium. I will write first producer's equilibrium is a situation when producer producer's profit is maximized. Profit is maximized. Means producer's equilibrium producer will attain its equilibrium only when its profit is maximized. Yes, and generally we measure the profit. Yes, total revenue minus total cost. Means this is a condition to get profit. And profit is equal to maximize profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Now, where is the equilibrium? Equilibrium condition. Yes, equilibrium consume producer will get its equilibrium when the difference between total revenue and total cost is maximum. When the difference between total revenue and total cost is maximum, that is the point where producer's profit is maximized. As I have already discussed the total, what we call total revenue, what we call total cost. Total revenue means total level of output sold by the producer at the market level. Total cost, total expenditure incurred by the producer in order to produce given level of output. Means when the difference between total revenue and total cost is maximum, that is the point where where producer gets profit maximized. I will show it with the help of graphical representation so that you can easily understand what we call profit maximization, why producer's profit is maximized. X, this is Y, this is total revenue, total cost. There are two approaches: total revenue, total cost approach, margin revenue, marginal cost approach. Today we will understand how profit is maximized by way of total revenue, total cost approach. As yesterday I showed, this is a total revenue curve. Total revenue curve is continuously increasing. That is why I show it upward. Means total revenue is continuously increasing. Now, marginal revenue curve. Yes, cost curve. Total revenue, total cost curve. As you know, total cost starts from above fixed cost curve. That will be start from here. That is total cost curve. It is above fixed cost curve. This means this is fixed cost, above fixed cost is total cost curve. Now, why is the profit maximized? If we see behind this, for example, this point E. Yes, if we see leftward point E, it shows total cost is more than total revenue. This is total revenue curve. Total cost is above than total revenue curve. Means here cost is more than total revenue. Means here firm gets losses. When simply you can, for understanding purpose, yes, when here I will write First, when total revenue is less than total cost for bearing loss. Meaning this is loss zone. This point, this is loss. At this point, at this point, total revenue, I will write in second point, total revenue is equal to total cost. This point we call break even point. No profit, no loss zone. Break even point. And no profit, no loss making zone. Point third, E point, E star, I will write. No profit, no loss zone. No loss zone. Now, after point E, this is profit up to point this. But we have to know why it is the maximum profit so that producer gets his equilibrium point. Why is the maximum profit? To know about the total profit, why is the maximum, why producer gets maximum profit, I will draw tangents to know exact why producer gets his maximum profit. Means this is the point. This is where producer gets maximum profit. As difference between the total revenue and total cost is maximum at this point, A to B. This is the area where difference between total revenue and total cost is maximum. As I read, producer will get it as equilibrium when the difference between total revenue and total cost is maximum. Means yes, producer will get its profit, maximize it. Profit, maximize it. Where difference between total revenue and total cost is maximum. So this is the area where yes, total revenue and total cost is maximum. Gap is maximum. That means after that, after this point, we know a total cost is above total revenue cost. Means for fourth point, yes, total cost is more than total revenue. And this is also loss making zone. Only this A to B is the point where no doubt this is also profit, this area. For is also earning profit, but this is less. For earning less profit. As we have to read as per the condition. Condition is difference between total revenue and total cost should be maximum. That only this is the condition where gap between total revenue and total cost is maximum. Otherwise, this firm is also earning profit, but this is less as compared to this point. After this point, firm is further making loss. Why? As total cost is greater than total revenue. Meaning, for understanding purpose, why we say that this loss making zone total cost is greater than total revenue cost? Basically, if firm has to bear more cost for a given level of output, definitely that's loss for the firm. Means when firm has expenditure, yes, has to pay more expenditure, he has to incur more expenditure in order to produce given level of output. As compared, he is receiving the revenue. Definitely, at that time, firm has to bear losses. And there are 2-3 conditions, like if yes, total revenue equal total cost. This is best for the firm. This is break even point. If total revenue is greater than total cost, this is profit. This we call abnormal profit. If total revenue is less than total cost, this is loss. That is why I am telling total cost is more than total revenue. This is a loss making zone. This also loss making zone. Why? Total cost is greater than total revenue. only this is the condition where profit is maximized. As why profit is maximized, as gap between the total revenue and total cost is maximum at point A and B. Alright, last point, fifth point. Profit is maximized. Profit is maximized at point A and B, as gap between the total revenue and total cost is maximum. As gap between total revenue and total cost is maximum. That is why we are telling at A and B point, producer gets profit. So producer again point of equilibrium, means he gets maximum profit. There is another approach, marginal cost and marginal revenue approach. That approach I will take in next lecture. These yes, total revenue, total cost approach and marginal cost approach means producer's equilibrium. This is important as per the examination point of view. Definitely you have to remember these twice or thrice. Probably this may be in your examination. Hope for the best till I will return back. Thanks. Have a nice day.